Welcome back. In this series we're going to be working on the rear suspension of the car. I've got all the pieces sitting here in a box, also the differential sitting behind me, which I've already started working on. These pieces I pulled off of a SE model back in the summertime, and we're going to be completely stripping them down, rebuilding them with new bushings, and painting them, and then putting them on the car in the spring. The limited slip was sent out to a place in Ottawa here locally, and it was rebuilt and brought back just last week. I've got rear axles that have new bearings, and also all the internals of that limited slip have been changed as well. I've got some Tokiko struts I'm going to put on the back. Springs to be determined. I'm still looking for some. But as we go through this series of videos, we're going to be cleaning, sanding, rebuilding, and coating with POR 15, which should stop the rust from reforming. I'm super excited to get started on this project. Let's go. after the first hour of sanding. Looks pretty good. As you can see here, used to be the casting marks or the welded marks from when it was put together from the factory. So I started smoothing all that down. I don't want to go down too far because I risk putting a hole in it. Same with this side. But it was pretty rotten when I got it, so the pits may have to stay. I'll probably try the sandblaster outside, see if I can get in there at least, and we'll coat it and paint it. As we go through cleaning up this weld here, it should be smooth like this. Again, not going in too far. I don't want to go right through the metal. And this bracket right here is the shield for the brake line. There's another piece right here. I'm going to leave that, maybe hang something fun from it. But this is coming off next. One side. And there you have it. One bracket done. That's it for day one, guys. We got lots of work done today. That piece is really messy. My hands are about to fall off from that grinder. We got a lot more to do. This is going to be quite the long series. We got linkage down there I'm going to clean up. We got that rear end I got to clean up. I got the LSD upstairs I'm going to put on and paint it all up. Thanks for watching. I'm going to clean this place up, and that's what you're going to see next. Take care.